Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tips on your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. You have to start by remove the old ear tips and also the right one. Now select new ear tip size, I'm going with this one, and then just attach it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!